Here I have VIVO V21, and today I'm going to show you how to customize a quick action feature on this device. To do this, firstly, let's open settings, then go to the shortcuts and accessibility section. Quick action, firstly you have to enable it, and here you can customize it. For example, you can select different features like turn on torch, record audio, open camera, or open any other app. For example, we can open Chrome when our screen is locked by just holding down volume down, and Chrome immediately opens. Or we can set another action, for example this torch on, and as you can see right now it enables torch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.